Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send gift message in Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, gift messages can look really nice, especially on somebody's birthday or maybe some type of other celebration. So, to go and get started, you need to go ahead to your Instagram message by going to the home page and click onto the arrows on the top right hand corner, or just swipe across. Go and open up the chat you want to go and send this in. Now just type your message. For example, I'll type hey, just like so. After that, you can tap the magnification glass on the left, and then in effects you can go and see the different options. We want to go and use the gift option, so you can tap there, and just like so your message will be sent. When they go and tap on it, it will go and open up and reveal the message. So that's it. That is how to send gift message in Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.